In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are things in our life which are not so easy in our opinion. Even there are things which are not so big, still we don't find it so easy to do. Is it like that? And there are many things in our life, in the life of each one of us, which are not moving forward, not getting better. We are not getting closer to that. We find ourselves unable to achieve that, unable to resolve, unable to solve that particular problem. This morning, three women of my mohalla, our street, were standing together in the street. They stopped me, asked me, "Do you have an olive tree at your home? Or you have cut it off?" I did tell them that we used to have the olive tree at our home, which is no more, unfortunately. Not me, because I'm very much against the cutting of the trees, the plants. My mom, because she didn't know the importance of the tree. In my absence, she called her nephew and niece, told them to cut this. It was not very big. They did that. They were in need of the olive plant leaves. Wanted to make some sort of medicine of it. Olive tree leaves. Although it is available also at the herbalist shop, but obviously they are selling it at expensive rate. They sell their herbs somewhat expensive. They weigh it in grams, 10 gram, 50 gram, 60 grams. I told them a place where government have planted lots of olive trees, and it is, fortunately, it is in the very center of the city, not far away, pretty close to our street. I did tell them, go there, take as many leaves as possible, even a kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. They were slightly afraid that since these are the government trees and they might not allow us, I asked them, you don't have to fill the big sacks, you don't have to fill the truck, you don't have to sell it. You are in need of uh, you are in need of some leaves, maybe a kg, half a kg of what. So why are you afraid of? You need it for the sake of a herbal medicine. Don't be afraid. Go there and take the leaves. Why did I? They look upon our officials, the officers, the executives, the representatives, the way they are spoiling our collective wealth, the way they are looting, cheating, siphoning off the public money, the taxpayers' money, and look upon the other side a weak person from general public. They are afraid of even taking certain amount of leaves, olive leaves. So the purpose of this story was that about the things which does not seem so easy to us, the things which we do have to do, the things we have to do, but these things does not seem easy to us. My suggestion is that start talking it, discussing it with the people. Start discussing it with the people for the purpose of, with the intention of getting the solution, with the intention of getting certain good ideas which could lead to the solution of your problem, which could lead to the achievement of your goal. That is something really very nice, very useful. I'm not asking you to ask for the help, because people usually don't. But there are some of the people who will become available, who will provide us some sort of help, partial, a little bit of help. But since we don't know who will help us, so there is no harm in asking the people about the help. Or once you are discussing your problem with someone else, they themselves might offer some help as well. But even if they don't offer any sort of help, still, at least they might give us certain informations. They might give us certain solutions of the problems. Sometimes it does happen that the person we are discussing with does not give us a solution, but we, on our own too, we reach a solution. We find an idea just by discussing it with the other person. Either the other person might provide us an idea, or even we ourselves might come to a sudden surprise. We might come to a conclusion that I have found an idea simply by discussing it with someone else. So that is why how certain things become easy to us, from difficult to easy for us. Thank you very much, Jazaki.